In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaigns using HubSpot's email marketing tools. First things first, you need to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply open your web browser and enter the URL provided by your HubSpot account, or use the trial guide link in your HubSpot portal. Once you're on the trial guide page, we're going to focus on the marketing section. You'll want to locate and click on the marketing tab in the navigation menu. This is your gateway to all the marketing tools HubSpot offers, giving you access to email marketing, social media, and more. Next, you should find and click on the email option after selecting marketing. This is where the magic begins in designing and sending out your email campaigns. The next step is to look for the Create Email button. By clicking this, you're starting the process of setting up a new email campaign from scratch. It's important to note that HubSpot provides various email types. For this tutorial, we'll choose Regular to create a standard marketing email. This option allows us to send one-time email broadcasts to a specified group of contacts. After selecting Regular for your email type, you'll be prompted to choose a template. HubSpot has an array of email templates designed to meet different marketing needs. These templates can be a great time saver, especially if you're new to creating marketing emails or want to ensure a professional look. Pick a template that suits the message and style you want to convey in your campaign. Now that you've chosen a template, click on Edit to start crafting your email content. This is where you customize your message, aligning it with your brand voice and campaign goals. HubSpot's editor is intuitive, so you'll find it easy to insert text, images, and links. Once satisfied with your content, your next step is to look at the Inbox tab. Here, you can preview how your email will look in various email clients, ensuring that your design is consistent across different platforms. It's an essential step to catch any layout issues before sending out your campaign. When you're ready to specify your audience, click on the Send To option. Carefully select your target contact list to ensure your email reaches the right audience, which is crucial for the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. If you're satisfied with how everything looks and to whom it will be sent, the next step is scheduling your email. Click on Schedule to choose the date and time you want your email to be sent. This feature allows you to optimize the timing of your campaign for maximum engagement. Before finalizing, use the Setup option to review all the details and settings of your campaign. Once everything is confirmed, consider clicking on Automate if you wish to set up any follow-up emails or actions based on recipient behavior. And there you have it, your email campaign is ready to soar.